Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about one of the most common questions I get. How do I invest in Bitcoin without dealing with crypto exchanges, wallets or hardware devices? Buying Bitcoin directly can be tricky, and honestly, for many people it feels risky. You can buy it on a crypto exchange, you can store it on a hardware device wallet, but if you are an investor who's used to the stock market, there is a much easier and safer feeling way. Investing in Bitcoin through a Spot Bitcoin ETF or ETP. And today I will show you which Bitcoin ETF or ETP you can buy depending on which stock exchange your broker gives you access to. Before we start, a quick disclaimer. I'm a private investor sharing my personal thoughts and opinions. I'm not a financial advisor, so please do not consider this financial or investment advice. So, why invest in a Bitcoin through a ETF or ETP? Because it removes almost all technical headaches. No crypto exchanges, no private keys, no hardware wallets, no fear of losing access to your coins. You simply buy it like a stock is at your regular brokerage account. But here is important part. Always choose a Spot Bitcoin ETF or ETP. Spot ETFs hold a real Bitcoin. Avoid future-based products. If your broker gives you access to US stock exchanges, the strongest option is iShares Bitcoin Trust ETF, ticker IBIT, expense ratio 0.5%, shares outstanding quite huge, 1.636 billion, backed by physical Bitcoin. This is currently the largest and most liquid Bitcoin ETF in the world. If you are in Europe, you can't buy US ETFs due to regulations. But don't worry, Europe has excellent physically backed Bitcoin ETP. Option 1, CoinShares physical Bitcoin ETP. So with a ticker BITC, with European ticker ICIN, expense ratio pretty cheap, 0.15%, and backed up real Bitcoin helped with institutional grade custody. This is one of the cheapest and largest Bitcoin ETP in Europe. Option 2, iShares Bitcoin ETP, IBIT with a 1 or BTCN. So with a tickers based on a stock exchange in Germany, it's IBIT, or with a BTCN in the Netherlands. Expense ratio 0.25, backed by physical Bitcoin. This is a BlackRock's European Bitcoin ETP, great for investors who prefer the iShares brand. So to wrap it up, if you have access to the US market, the shares IBIT Spot Bitcoin ETF is the most established and liquid option. If you are in Europe, you have two strong physically backed choices: CoinShares BITC with lower fees, and iShares IBIT, strong global brand. All of these products give you exposure to real Bitcoin without the complexity of managing wallets or private keys. If you found this research helpful, please support the channel by hitting the like button and subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.